All right, maybe I'll show you a winter storm. a March storm. I don't call it winter. Not supposed to be winter, is it? I don't know. But I come out today and I was going like, wow, man, it's really snowing. Check that out. Woof. It's like coming down out there. You got to be careful on the roads because these roads are just so bad. But I'm so used to driving now. It's ridiculous how many years I've been doing this. Over 3 years doing this skip the dishes crap. I wish this would end. Really. Not end, but I'll always have it, I think, for extra money. But I don't get much extra money with this at all. I don't even get a living out of this. So that's what makes it hard. So it's been a week, just over a week now, since I had the second interview for a particular job. I thought I was going to get an offer for it, but I didn't get an offer. And it was depressing. Last couple of days I've been really depressed about it, and I don't know why. Well, I guess because, you know, you need to live, and I don't know what God has for me, has set up for me, and that's what makes it hard. You know, I'm applying for everything now. I don't give a shit, whatever it is. And I don't hear back. I get rejection after rejection from my applications, but I continue on. God has always provided and always will. So that's all I rely on. I don't rely on anything else. How can you rely on a world that just doesn't give you anything? It just stomps you to the ground. And that's pretty much every experience that I have. You know, I think that something may go good and it's like, okay, well, maybe I can expect it, but you can't. You really have no expectation in this world because it'll just completely obliterate, you know, before you. And that's important too, I know, because it's God's operation, the experiences he gives us. But aren't they tiring? Like for me, it's just so damn tiring. I get so worn out and so stressed out in my own mind and being for what, you know, the attempts that you make in this world to better your life to some degree so you're able to function. I'm always right at that thread. It's just such a fine line of being over the edge, like just falling off that cliff. And that's what it just seems like for me. I know it's a necessary evil because we need to experience, to stay humble, and to be kept humble by God. And we are. I can say that wholeheartedly and definitely that I'm humbled by God in my experience. You know, I got an A&W coffee today. What's that? Pratt. Whatever that organic coffee, yeah. But I'm going to continue to look for work, and Lord willing, I'll get something more solid than this. It's just really pressurizing. But I don't want to burden anybody with my life problems because we all have them. You know, I can speak here, but I'm speaking to the body of Christ. I'm speaking to my brethren. I'm sharing my heart. I'm sharing my experiences on this video on purpose. Because we all realize the same thing. We all realize as believers that God is operating it all. Every detail of it. So we are thankful that way. And there's no question about that one. But when you have to vent and you have to let it out, you have to let it out. And this is a daily grind. Believe me, a daily grind that we all must go through. But who the hell likes it? I don't. And I'm being totally, completely honest with you. I hate it. It's a stress and a strain every day here. I just want out. I want our home. I want our real home, which is Christ. Our real home is Christ, our brother. It is Christ. The whole universe will be ours, but we have Christ, our brother, our head. And that's what's important. So Just a little bit of a rant today. Grace and peace.